Hello, textbook custodians. This is Tanya Cavens in the Textbook and Curriculum Department, and I'm here to show you the new way we are going to inventory textbooks. This year, we are going to verify them. This has always been an option in Incident IQ, but in the last year, they've added a new feature that will make the process easier for large numbers of textbooks, which is what we have. So let me show you. So once you're in Incident IQ, you probably know if you are in the search field or really anywhere in Incident IQ that's not a field, you can scan a textbook and you'll get this little pop-out window. What's new is if you continue to scan, this little pop-out window will show you everything that you've just scanned. It will give you a list. So you can see who the owner is, the location. It even counts it for you. So if you have a stack of, say, 30 textbooks, you can verify that you scanned all 30 of them. If it says 29, you got to go back and scan until it picks up that missed barcode. So that's super helpful. You can do a lot of things in bulk like this, but today we're going to learn how to verify. So the first thing you need to do, importantly, is to click this box next to the word asset. And this is going to select everything in that list. Next, we're going to go to Other, and then Verify Assets. So once you're in here, you want to confirm the location. It's probably going to be where you are. And you're going to go to Status and select Verified. Now, these textbooks were checked out to a Miss Adams, and if Miss Adams is a teacher and she's going to be back next year and there's not going to be any changes, and you would like to keep those books checked out to her, all you have to do at this point is say Update Assets, Apply Changes, and wait for it to finish, and then hit Close, and then you're done. Now, supposing Miss Adams is moving, and you already know that Miss Cavens is going to be taking her spot. And you want to go ahead and check those out to her while you have the book scanned in. So we can do that. You can select Assets, Other, Verify Assets. We still want to verify. And this time we're going to go to Owner, Update Asset Information, click over Owner, and we're going to type in the new person that's going to have these books. You don't need to worry about location. They're staying the same place. You just hit Update, Apply Changes. Also, it says this cannot be undone. It really can. You can go rescan these books if you make a mistake and put it the correct way, and it'll just change them. So don't let that panic you. Apply Changes and Close. Now, it's not going to show here, but when you get out of this window and rescan, you'll see that all of those have changed to Tanya Cavens. Now, supposing Miss Cavens is leaving and you don't know who's taking her spot, or perhaps these were checked out to students and you need to unassign them from these textbooks, you can do that as well. So we are going to select the assets, Other, Verify. We want to verify down here, and we are going to update the owner. Now, if you want to unassign them, you just leave this blank. This red message here, your current settings will unassign all assets. That setting is an empty field, a blank field, and we want to unassign them. So we're going to leave them blank, update assets, apply changes, close. And now you will be able to see that these have all been unassigned. Isn't that great? Okay, so that is the verification process. You have a couple options. You always want to hit that status button and choose verification, and you can make changes or not as you want. And here's the important part. When you're done, you want to X out or close that window before you start scanning another stack of books, so you're not making changes to books you've already made changes to. Okay, that's that. We'll be able to pull data from this and do a lot more things that we'll talk about in other videos. But happy scanning, and hope you have a great summer.